What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we have an update on Skl network, which has pumped up over 30% in the last 24 hours and is currently valued at just over 4 cents. So we're going to be looking at why has it pumped up so much over the last 24 hours, where is it heading to next, can it essentially hit the 5 cents 10 cents target over the next couple of days, weeks and so on, and mainly focusing on, is now the right time to buy it? Is it too late? Is it going to crash back down? Or if you're on a profit, is now the right time to sell it before it crashes back down in value? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also look at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, and also going into 2024, what can we expect from Skl network? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Skl network, which is here in purple at 0.03 cents. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in red at over 4 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. And yes, it is looking quite steep as well, as I expected, because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks that it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that's not what I'm expecting over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting Skl to be more or less trading just above 4 cents in target, not far from where it is at the moment. However, that doesn't mean that it's not going to pump any higher. Of course it will. Over the next couple of hours, it is likely to head up to near about the 5 cents target, is where I'm expecting it to head up to, before it slowly starts to drop back down in value, down to just about 4 cents in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday. So yes, do expect it to be quite volatile, it's up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the neutral side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Again, the blue and the orange line are looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, meaning an overall increase in value is expected. However, it is looking way too steep, guys. So over the next 7 to 8 days, I'm expecting an overall drop in value from Skl. So by the end of next week, the crypto should be trading around above 3 cents is what I'm expecting, but below 4 cents, so around 0.035 to 0.037 cents, somewhere in between that price range is where I'm expecting Skl to be trading at by the end of next week. But in between that time, yes guys, it is going to be volatile. We are expecting red and green days, up and down, but again, the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So yes, do expect an overall minimal drop in value. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The orange line is not looking as steep as the blue line, meaning it is much more realistic. Well, the orange line is, not the blue line. So an overall minimal increase in value is what I'm expecting from Skl over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys. So late December, early January 2024, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Skl network, potentially just about hitting about 8 to 9 cents. In between that price range is where I'm expecting Skl to be trading at. That is only because I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be heading over $40,000 by the end of the year, which means this should have a positive impact on the crypto market, which of course involves Skl as well. So yes, I'm expecting it to head up to 8 to 9 cents by the end of the year and early next year, and potentially hitting 10 cents in Q1 of 2024 is where I'm expecting Skl to head up to over the next approximately 2 months. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But before I do that, guys, just a little announcement for those of you guys who are interested in joining my Telegram group chat, which I will leave a link to in the description box down below. So what does this group chat include? You're gonna get, once you sign up, you're gonna get put into 2 group chats. The first one is just a general chat where I'll be showing you guys regular updates on the crypto market, mainly Bitcoin. And because the crypto market moves as Bitcoin moves as well, negative or positive, don't worry about the figures here. This is an old screenshot, but yeah, this is what happens in the group chat. And you guys can ask for other cryptocurrency updates and so on, and predictions, which I will also reply to. And the other chat is where I'll be showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. However, I am a long-term investor, meaning I do not buy and sell crypto on a daily or weekly basis. I get in at a good price and sell at a good price as well, and all of that for $14.99 a month. However, this price here is only valid for the first few members and only for the limited time only, guys. As you guys can see, it is usually $29.99, but using discount code DEC10 you get 50% off. So make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. And now back to Skl. So we are clearly still trading in the red zone, and to hit the resistance target here we need to hit about 11 cents in target to break out and to head into the green zone, which I'm not expecting from Skl over the next at least 6 months, guys. So by mid next year we should be able to head into the green zone and break out from the resistance target. If you guys want regular updates on this crypto, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated as much as I can on Skl. But make sure to comment down below how often you guys want these updates. So getting rid of the Fibonacci scale, let's go into the CoinMarketCap website here. We can see the trading volume has gone up by 72% in the last 24 hours, making it $60 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading volume. Again, it is one of the top gainers according to Binance, or the top gainer even, meaning it is getting a lot of attention right now, a lot of hype around it, meaning we are seeing a lot more people trading it, a lot more buyers as well as a lot more sellers. So answering the main question, would I buy it right now or would I sell it? I would definitely not buy it right now because it is overvalued. It is pumped up way too much. Again, I'm into long-term trading. If you're into short-term trading, then it's a completely different scenario. But for long-term trading, the maximum price I would buy this at is about 2 cents, guys, and it's way over that at the moment. I'm not expecting it to drop to 2 cents anytime soon, so basically I wouldn't buy it. But for those of you asking, would I sell it right now? Yes, I would, but not all of it. What I mean by that is, if I had $1,000 in Skl right now, I would probably, depending, obviously, if I'm on a loss, I wouldn't sell it. If I was on a profit, I would sell about $350 to $400 worth. So basically 35 to 40% of my investment in Skl I would sell right now, take my profit out and keep the rest going into next year, meaning I'll still have some investment in Skl and I've also taken out some profit, which works both ways. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. Just a quick one on Skl. Let me know in the comment section down below your predictions and your takes on this crypto. What is the highest figure you guys are expecting this crypto to hit in 2024? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, but before I do that, I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.